What's up, guys? Today is Wednesday, August 29th, and we're going for a drive. I'm filming on my phone, and again, I apologize if it's like all shaky and stuff because I'm on like a magnetic, what is it, like a mount or something like that. So yeah, we're gonna be vlogging today. What's good? What's new? Just kidding, I like never vlog, but we're gonna try this out and, you know, like see how it goes. So right now it is about 11 o'clock a.m. and I'm on my way to the gym, hence the big whatever these are called. I didn't do much this morning. I literally rolled out of bed like 20 minutes ago. Basically, let me explain what's going on today. So the day has come. I myself graduating makeup school. Wow, like it's just crazy because I literally graduated high school like 2 months ago, and I'm about to graduate makeup school again with a certification. It's just so crazy because like it came so quick. But today I thought I would vlog because today is a very big special day, and not only for me, my other girls out there know who they are. I started this program 15 weeks ago at the beginning of summer, and now it's just over. Everything is done. We learned everything, and like I'm gonna be certified like tonight. Like, that's just crazy. By the way, I don't know when this video is gonna be up because I'm going to New York tomorrow to see some family, you know, mommy-daughter trip, whatever. But yeah, today is kind of on a time crunch because I do have college today too. I started one class. My other 3 classes don't start till next month, so great. So right now I'm only going to one class, and it's only like an hour and 15 minutes long, and the first day she let us out a half an hour early. Like, what a homie, bro. And there's no parking at the gym. What's new? I found a close spot actually. So I just got to the gym. I'm gonna do a quick workout because it is 11 right now, like I said, and I have class at 2. But yeah, I'm gonna go do my workout now, and I'll catch you after. What's up, guys? I just worked out and I am dead, like so dead. But we are not going home yet. We're gonna go pick up some food because a girl is starving, and we're going to my favorite place. If you guys don't know, I eat acai bowls like every single day, and that's what I'm getting today. Since it's a big special day, I thought I would treat myself to my favorite food. I just called it in to pick up, so it should be ready by the time I get there, and I'm so excited. There's like no parking again. Stop. I just found a spot. So I'm gonna put on my shirt because like I'm so ready for this food. What's up, guys? So I got home a little while ago. I showered because I felt gross, and I stuck this beauty in the freezer, and now I'm about to eat her, and she looks so good. I put my own like chia seeds and hemp seeds, and I also added cinnamon. Just look at that. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna finish editing my video, and then I gotta go to school. Me and my girls have the same class, so it's like lit or whatever. Yeah, but for real now, I'm gonna go eat this. We're behind a garbage truck. You know my mom's new boyfriend is a
garbage men make money. You're asleep.
You got that shmoney.
Guys, thumbnail.
Oh, 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 yeah.
That looks so cool.
We got that juju, got that super soaker. Draco got that kickback when I roll that. They all do track, they don't shoot back.
I'm pretty like Tinashe, put it all up in his face. Till I catch a case.
So I am about to head off to makeup school and graduation. I just wanted to hop on here, show you guys a little bit what I did because I didn't film it because I didn't have that much time to do this. But it came out so pretty. For the outfit, I'm wearing this black tube top, this plaid skirt. It's got little pockets, some booties, my purse, and we are ready. It's not that fancy, I know, but I couldn't find any dresses that I wanted to wear, so we went with this. But I just wanted to give you a quick outfit update. I like don't know how to talk in vlogs, so. I didn't find it. Okay. Good. Okay, beautiful.
She does great in front of the camera, behind the camera, and take the pictures. She is a triple threat. I'm your biggest fan. Can you sign my card?
Summer, we're fucking certified, bro.
Hi guys, I'm on Caitlin Rose vlog. Caitlin Rose.
Look how cute you look.
My favorite YouTuber.
Oh yeah.
Like and subscribe. Comment below.
Bella Hadid.
Whereas just a few moments ago, you were students.
Say hello.
Hi guys, I had the
girl who
honor
taught us.
and pleasure to
Yes.
teach this gorgeous beauty all about
Lisa.
the gore special effects. So Halloween, call her up, she got you.
Yeah. Who is she? Who is she? Who is she? So that is the end of this vlog. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. And let me know if you guys like my vlogs. I never really vlog and I kind of really liked filming it. So let me know down below if you guys rock with it or not. I don't know. Don't forget to subscribe and again follow my social medias. They'll be linked down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.